Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Grok API key. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type console.x.ai and press enter. Click on the official XAI Cloud Console link and make sure the website is secure before continuing. Sign into your account and select the correct workspace if prompted. Once inside the console, look at the left-hand menu and click on API keys. This section allows you to manage and create keys for your projects. Now click on the Create API Key button. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your key so you can identify it later. Avoid using sensitive information in the name. If additional options appear, fill them according to your needs. Click Create API Key to generate your key. Copy it immediately and store it securely in a password manager or environment variable. Never share it publicly or include it in source code. So that's basically how you can get Grok API key. That's it for this video. Thanks.